Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that YouTube not opening problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the YouTube. Okay, and then you need to update your YouTube application. As you can see that my YouTube is up to date. Then you need to go back and go into the settings and go into the app management, and in app list you need to search for the YouTube. Okay, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you complete all those steps, then you need to go back and open YouTube, and after that your issue will be resolved. So this is a simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.